This is the DIY color deck from Spellbinders. In this box are 52 colorful cards that give you color palette inspiration for your projects. The first side has beautiful, bright pictures with 5 1-inch squares to the right side of it. On the second side, there's different ideas and inspiration. So there's different color theory things. There's some creative sparks, ways to get inspiration, different sketches for designs, as well as different facts about history or facts about color, different things that you can learn from there. These are very, very easy to use, and they coordinate well with a 1-inch punch for the squares to the side. Once you've picked your color palette, you can just glue those squares, and you can pick whichever color or whichever cardstock company you like to work with and use that. I also like to come up with extra palettes because there's so many different colors in each one of them. You are not only going to be able to create one palette with it, you'd be able to create multiple. And even sometimes just taking one color palette and swapping out a color or two gives you a whole other palette of inspiration. These can be used not only for cardstock, but even for alcohol ink and ink pad colors when you're working on and creating your cards. Fantastic way to get out of a color palette rut and create some new interesting color combinations.